In the history of life on Earth, humans are among the youngest life forms. Nurtured by nature, we became many. But in a short time, we changed the face of the Earth. Plastics are developed to make life easier, but now it may be the cause of our demise. Floating on our rivers, piling on our backyards, filling our trash bags, destroying biodiversity.
It's plastic. Plastic pollution has become one of the most pressing environmental issues as rapidly increasing production of disposable plastic products overwhelms the world's ability to deal with them. Plastic trash has become so ubiquitous because it's everywhere. It's affecting everyone.
According to the World Bank Group, the Philippines is the third largest contributor with an estimated 0.75 million metric tons of mismanaged plastic entering the ocean every year. Economic growth, combined with enhanced production and consumption, is leading to higher waste generation in the Philippines.
The trash is spilling up on land, clogging coastlines, spilling into the sea, and traveling to remote corners of the globe as the country fails to meet the targets for improved waste management.
Like many rapidly urbanizing countries, the Philippines struggles with unsustainable plastic production and consumption and the waste management infrastructure that relies heavily on open dumping sites, giving plastics an easy path into our waterways.
The Philippines generates an enormous amount of trash because of this. The Philippines sachet economy.
The central government claims that it's done all it can, and that the onus is on local governments and the Philippine people to solve the problem. But environmental advocates disagree, saying the government could do more, including pressuring multinational corporations to change how they package their products.
One factor that is contributing to the massive increase of plastic pollution worldwide is tourism. With 80% of all tourism taking place, plastic from this sector can be a very large contributor to the pollution.
Being a tourism hotspot, my hometown Malay is experiencing major threats and pressure from the flock of tourists. Plastic and waste pollution became the main environmental problem of Malay, majority of it being generated in the Boracay Island. The waste management problem in the island has become so worse that it led to its closure back in 2018. The government's effort to rehabilitate and redevelop the island has caused major positive impact to its environment. The closure also developed and strengthened the Solid Waste Management Act for Boracay Island and in Malay.
Collection of solid waste is mostly being managed by the local government unit or the LGU. In many areas of the country, local governments lack access to waste collection services and recycling facilities.
After the shutdown, Malay made major changes in their waste management systems. Republic Act 9003, or also known as the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000, mandates that all open dump sites must be converted into sanitary landfills. Malay, having 2 operational sanitary landfills, is making a rapid step forward towards waste management. And residents are experiencing these positive changes firsthand. Let us hear from Ms. Wiminda, a local resident of Malay, Aklan.
Dati, ang mga kasura, halo-halo lang ang mga nabubulok, ang mga wa nabubulok, pinasugan ng tatamuran. Sa kaya, pinasipa dito naman ang mga plastic, ang mga lata, ang mga nabubulok. Diyan lang naman lagi na butang sa pwede na pakinabangan ng obra compost. Ang mga uwa na bubulok, dinakarga naman sa truck kayaran. May kapangulekta ron ka na, pinatudloan ron ka na ang bawat manimalay na mag-segregate ron ka na may basura. Pag magpamalingki kami, kaya nagbakal sa tindahan, pinabawal na ng mga plastic. Nalalaki ka kami ang sarili na
It is evident that the local government of Malay is taking this concern seriously and that it is making effort to manage waste and plastic pollution. But the case is not always the same with other LGUs.
The government figures are gloomy. There are only 139 operational sanitary landfills servicing just 308 of the country's 1,634 LGUs, and at least 425 illegal dump sites still operate across the country.
But we can only hope for the best and continue to make efforts in maintaining our environment a safe place for us humans and other biodiversity. It is clear that plastic pollution and any other pollution is causing harm to our environment and to our earth. So let us work together, hand in hand, and make a change.